Hello students, in last presentation we had discussed on boiler and classification of the boiler. Today we will discuss on formation of steam and various condition of steam. Sensible heat. Sensible heat is defined as the heat that can be sensed in thermometer, that is, change in temperature can be observed. This is known as a sensible heat. Due to the transfer of sensible heat, no change of phase will take place. Latent heat. It is defined as the amount of heat required at constant temperature to convert 1 kg of water at saturation temperature to dry saturation steam. If latent heat is transferred, change of phase will take place. Formation of steam at constant pressure. Water, which is one of the pure substance, exists in three phases, that is solid, liquid and gas. It is assumed that the temperature of ice before start heating is minus 10 degrees Celsius and pressure is atmospheric. As heat is added, the temperature of ice increases up to 0 degrees Celsius. During the no change of phase take place, but only temperature change in sensed by thermometer is known as sensible heat. Point B. Further addition of heat will not increase the temperature, but ice start melting, that is transformation of solid phase to liquid phase up to the point C indicate ice converted into water. This is known as latent heat of fusion of ice, defined as the amount of heat required to convert a 1 kg of ice into water at constant temperature. From points C to D, there is only increase in temperature of water but no change of phase, hence it is sensible heat. From point D to E, the temperature is saturation temperature of water. Addition of heat will not increase the temperature but change of phase from water into vapor. So change of phase take place. This is known as latent heat of vaporization, defined as the amount of heat required to convert 1 kg of water into steam at constant temperature. From point E to F, addition of heat will increase the temperature of steam, known as superheating, defined as amount of heat at about saturation temperature. Wet steam. When steam contains some water particles in suspended form, it is known as wet steam. The suspended water particles are known as moisture. The wet steam is mixture of two phases, that is liquid and vapor. The temperature of wet steam is the saturation temperature at given pressure of steam. The dryness fraction is less than 1. Dry saturated steam. When steam contains no moisture is known as dry steam or dry saturated steam. The temperature of dry steam is the saturation temperature. The dryness fraction is 1. Superheated steam. If dry saturated steam is at saturation temperature is heated, its temperature will start increasing. This higher temperature of steam is known as superheated temperature and the steam is known as superheated steam. The dryness fraction is greater than 1, hence it is superheated. The superheated steam have no moisture content. Degree of superheat. The difference of the temperature of superheated steam and saturated steam is known as degree of superheat. Thank you.